Hello student, in previous video we saw the information about comprehensive security. In the comprehensive security we saw the world become interdependent in the area of economy and technology. The main concept of the security of the country to the security to the people and the society. The main concept of this comprehensive security to give security for the people and the society. So today we will see the next part of this lesson, that is human security. Today the term used human security. Human means people need more security. They have to secure their life. When the people is secure, then nation will develop. So human security is very important part in the nation. The Human Development Report of the United Nations has brought in this new thought in the security. In human security, the Human Development Report of United Nations has brought a new thoughts in this human security. In the 1994, the Human Development Report highlighted two major components of human security that were in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, that is freedom from fear. The people need security, they need freedom, they need proper without fear. They can live happy and prosperous life without fear. Then freedom and fear, this is very important part in the human security. The concept of human security is become prevalent today. Every person should have freedom from fear and freedom from deprivation, means they should live without fear a happy and prosperous life. Without fear, they can live in a nation. When people is happy, they got freedom, then they will live without fear a happy life. The freedom from fear and freedom from want. The 1994 report introduced the concept of human security. In 1994, United Nations gave a report on the human security. In that they told the human security need freedom, and when the people got freedom, they can live without fear, they can live their life. The concept of human security, which equates security with the people rather than territories and with development rather than weapon, means the security equates the people rather than the territories and with development rather than weapon. In the development, many development took place in the field of weapons. Like that way, the people living in the country, they should have a proper security rather than the weapons. It's examine both the nation and the global concern of human security. It examines the national. It examines both the national and the global concern of human security. In 1994, that is Human Development Report was even more specific, listing 7 essential dimensions of human security. first dimension, that is economic security. People must have an assure about the basic income. People should be having assurity about their basic income. When they can having guarantee about their basic income, then only they can live their life properly, happily. The second dimension, that is food security. The people must get and offered to have a basic food. In the human security, those people living in the country, they get and they can afford to have a basic food, those they need to live their life properly. Third dimension, that is health security. Threats to the health security is usually greatest for the poor people and those are living in rural area. Health security, that is need the people those are poor because they don't have a proper source of income, and those people living in a rural area, the development not took place in that area, so they need proper development to get the proper health. So they need, so people living in a rural area, they need health security about their health. The people must be access to health services. So that area we should give more priority to develop the rural area about the health security. Fourth one, that is environmental security. Intensive and industrialization and the population growth have put lot of strain on the environment. In this environmental security, population is a main part to give protection to the people in the growth of population, because lot of strain is there on the environment because of the population growth. Population, day by day the population is increasing, because of that more stress and strain is coming on the environment, and it is necessary to protect the ecosystem, and it is very important part to protect the ecosystem. So student, you understood this part of the human security. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.